Hello, today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 13, and today's topic is gender. We have discussed several times about this topic. Today again we are going to talk about it. Here it is written, see, a boy is a male, a girl is a female. The grouping of words according to sex is called gender. Nouns that name males belong to the masculine gender. Nouns that name females belong to the feminine gender. So we know this. Here it is written so nicely. After that, if we see in this place, there we are getting some masculine and feminine gender. Here I am going to read, you just go with me. Here bridegroom, masculine, its feminine is bride. Same way, cockerel, hen, dog, beach, duke, duchess, earl, countess, emperor, empress, fox, vixen, gander, goose, headmaster, headmistress, hero, heroine, host, hostess, landlord, landlady, monk, nun, prince, princess, son, daughter, stallion, mare, tiger, tigress, uncle and aunt. These are so important and we need to use these masculine and feminine in our daily life. So here after reading this, we are getting some exercise. First exercise, a number exercise. Here it is written, write the feminine gender of. Here masculine are given, we will just write its feminine. So I am writing here, but at your home first you will memorize this thing, then keep it remember. After that you will write here, then you will match with my one. So here hero, we know it's feminine, that is heroine. Dog, we know this is bitch. Fox, vixen. Monk, nun. Prince, princess. Earl, countess. Next here we are getting uncle, it will be aunt. Son, daughter, headmaster, headmistress, host, hostess, stallion, that is mare, emperor, this is empress. Here B number exercise, write the masculine gender of aunt, uncle, bride, bridegroom, goose, this is gander, hen, we know this is cockerel, cockerel, empress, it will be emperor, emperor, landlady, it will be landlord. Here mare, it will be stallion. Headmistress, it will be headmaster. Tigress, it will be tiger. Duchess will be duke. Vixen will be fox. 12 number, nun will be monk. Now we are going to do C number exercise. Here it is written, change each noun of the masculine gender to the feminine gender. It's like a number exercise, but in this place during the a number exercise we have changed the word, just word we have got, and then we had written feminine gender. In this place we are getting the word, but these are in the sentences. So first sentence here, the duke is 80 years old. Which one we will change? We will change this word duke. So it will be the duchess. The duchess is 80 years old. 2 number, as the children passed, the gander hissed at them. So here we will change the gander. We know its feminine is what? Goose. 3 number, the rider led the stallion to the stable. In this place we are going to change stallion. Its feminine is mare. So sentence will be, the rider led the mare to the stable. 4 number, We were welcomed by the landlord by the Swan Hotel. In this place, we have to change this word. It will be landlady. We were welcomed by the landlady of the Swan Hotel. Now we are going to do the number exercise. Here it is written, write the word that is missing from each sentence. There are some blanks, we have to fill them. How we will fill? See, in this place, one number exercise is written. The dash and countess are abroad on holiday. So which word we will put here? We will put here, it's masculine. Okay, so what we will put? We will put the Earl and Countess are abroad on holiday. 2 number, here it is written, there were 3 hens and a dash in the farmyard. So hence its masculine is what? Its masculine is cockerel. We will put here. So there were 3 hens and a cockerel in the farmyard. 3 number, the dash waited in vain for the bride to arrive at the church. Here we will write bride's masculine, that is bridegroom. 4 number, there were 4 puppies, 1 bitch and 3 what? 3 dogs. Now we will do E number exercise. Here it is written masculine or feminine. Use your dictionary to find out. You can take help from your dictionary. Why? Because these words are not written in this place. Here you will not get these words. So that's why you should take help from your dictionary. You try at your home, but here I am writing my one. After your trying, match with my one. So first one, see paper. Is it feminine or masculine? It is feminine. Colt is masculine. And widower is also masculine. So today up to this, I have discussed today Junior English Book 4, page number 13, and today's topic is gender. Next day, we will do page number 15. There we will find adjectives formation. Bye for today.